Welcome back to Smart Choice Reviews Tech. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about smartphones of 2025, the Xiaomi Poco X7 Pro. Known for delivering flagship-level performance at a mid-range price, the Poco X7 Pro has generated a lot of excitement. But is it really the best value smartphone this year? Stick with us as we break down its design, display, performance, cameras, battery, software, and overall value for money. Design and build quality. The Poco X7 Pro takes a step forward in design with its sleek glass back, metallic frame, and a more refined camera island that blends seamlessly into the body. It comes in bold colors like neon blue, phantom black, and sunset orange, giving it that Poco personality we've come to expect. At just 7.9 millimeters thick and weighing around 187 grams, it's slim and comfortable to hold. The curved edges and matte finish also help reduce fingerprints, while the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection adds durability. This phone looks and feels far more premium than its price tag suggests. Display up front, the Poco X7 Pro. Colors are rich and vibrant with HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support, making it perfect for binge-watching Netflix or gaming. With peak brightness reaching 1400 nits, visibility outdoors is no problem at all. Add in the slim bezels and punch-hole front camera, and you've got a display that could rival much more expensive flagships. Simply put, this is one of the best screens in the mid-range category. Performance and hardware. Now let's talk about power. The Poco X7 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Seconds Gen 3 processor, paired with up to 12 GB of Elder 5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. This combination makes the phone blazingly fast, capable of handling multitasking, demanding apps, and gaming without breaking a sweat. Whether you're playing Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, or PUBG New State, the Poco X7 Pro maintains high frame rates and smooth performance thanks to its advanced cooling system. Benchmark scores place it right below flagship models like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but considering the price difference, it's an incredible value. Cameras. The Poco X7 Pro sports a triple camera system. A 64MP Sony IMX main sensor with optical image stabilization, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, a 2MP macro sensor for close-up shots. Daylight photos are sharp, detailed, and well-balanced, with Poco's image processing delivering vibrant colors. Night photography has also improved, with the main sensor pulling in more light and reducing noise. The ultra-wide lens is great for landscapes and group shots, though it lacks the same detail as the main sensor. On the front, you get a 32MP selfie camera, which produces excellent photos for social media, complete with AI beauty enhancements. Video recording supports 4000 at 60 FPS with solid stabilization that makes handheld shots look smooth. Overall, this is a well-rounded camera setup that punches above its weight. Battery life and charging. Battery life is another area where the Poco X7 Pro shines. It packs a 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day and a half of heavy use or even 2 full days for lighter users. But what really steals the show is the 12W HyperCharge technology. This can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 20 minutes. For users always on the go, this is a game-changing feature. Software and features. The Poco X7 Pro runs on Android 14 with MIUI 15 for Poco, optimized for speed and gaming. The interface is smooth, customizable, and packed with useful features such as game turbo mode, floating windows, and custom themes. Xiaomi promises 3 years of major updates and 4 years of security patches, keeping it competitive in the mid-range segment. Yes, there's some pre-installed bloatware, but most of it can be uninstalled. Once you tweak it to your liking, the experience is fast and enjoyable. Price and value. Now, let's talk about the price. The Poco X7 Pro starts at around $399. making it one of the most powerful smartphones under $400 in 2025. When you compare it to competitors like the Realme GT Neo series or Samsung's Galaxy A series, the Poco X7 Pro stands out with its faster charging, higher refresh rate, and flagship-level chipset. For budget-conscious gamers or power users, this phone is almost unbeatable in its category. So, should you buy the Xiaomi Poco X7 Pro? If you want a smartphone with flagship performance, a gorgeous display, super fast charging, and reliable cameras at a mid-range price, the answer is absolutely yes. It is not just another mid-range phone, it is a performance beast that delivers incredible value for money. That wraps up our full review of the Xiaomi Poco X7 Pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed reviews here on Smart Choice Reviews Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.